Welcome to Wood-Fired Pizza Test, where we test out unique pizza toppings and recipes in our wood-fired oven. Today we're making a pistachio and red onion pizza. The dough will be topped with tomato sauce, olive oil, Parmesan cheese, buffalo mozzarella, and then topped with lightly crushed pistachios, thinly sliced red onion, fresh rosemary, goat cheese, and red pepper flakes. This pizza is a pretty simple pizza with really delicious toppings that work really well together. As we do with any pizza with onions, we want to pre-cook the onions to take out some of that moisture before putting it on the pizza. To do this, we put the onions in the oven while it's heating up and briefly saute them with some olive oil and salt. Not long enough to caramelize them, but just enough to soften them up a bit. With those done, we can head inside and start preparing the pizza. This is legitimately one of my favorite pizzas. I first ate a version of this at a restaurant in Ann Arbor and realized how easy it was to recreate at home. Pistachios are such a delicious topping for the pizza, and they give this really nice texture to everything. And they taste so good with the red onion and rosemary, and the red pepper flakes add a really nice spice to it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it.